pagpapatuloy ng food adventure ng Irish Thai actor na si Kevin Dasom sa Quezon City, dadalhin naman niya tayo sa isang lugar kung saan makakatikim ka raw ng mga pagkain makakapaghatid sa'yo ng happiness. European style with a touch of Pinoy flavors. Tara, samahan natin siya sa Hulog dito sa Panay Avenue.
Food Explorers, tara food trip tayo.
So, huluk is a Dutch word means happiness. So, originated siya from Greece, tas dinala dito sa Philippines. But then, we twist some of the menu. It's because hindi pasok sa panlasa lahat ng menu from Europe. Yung twist, parang nilagyan namin ng umami flavor, yung mga European foods. We have a lot of selections here since si huluk is from Greece, pero hindi lang namin siya nilimit ng mga Greek food. So, we have Spanish, Italian, French. So, ginawa namin siyang fusion ng different countries from Europe. Yeah.
All right, so what do we have on the menu today?
So, for the starters, we have the hamon croquettes. It is made of cheesy baked roll with a smoked hamon on top. The sauce is made from marinara sauce.
Excuse me. That sauce is a killer.
Yeah.
So good. So the viewers won't be able to try this unless you come to the restaurant.
We have also here the hummus, but with a twist. There's a hummus eggplant.
Hummus eggplant.
Yes, it is a famous dish in Greece. For me, eggplant hummus, nilagyan lang din namin ng twist, no? So basically, it's a hummus na tulad ng mga sinaserve sa ibang restaurant. Pero we want it to be different. So naglagay kami ng eggplant on that. And it's a mashed eggplant and it's a grilled one.
I stand on that. The Greek hummus eggplant, amazing. Oh, gotta eat a green. Let me eat a green.
There's also quinoa in there.
Quinoa too.
It's really healthy, actually.
Delicious. Pinakasarap.
And we have here the mixta. It is the mixed seafoods. We have the octopus tentacles, squid, shrimp, and mashed potato at the bottom.
Oh wow, that's so tender. That octopus tentacle just melted in my mouth. That is delicious.
Thank you.
That's so good. That's dangerously good.
And we have here the ox tongue and mushroom. It is a slow cooked ox tongue simmered in beef stock with the white sauce, reduction wine sauce.
You know, one thing about ox tongue is when you say ox tongue, a lot of people don't want to try it.
Yes.
Right? They're like, tongue, who eats tongue? But ox tongue is one of the most tender meats on the buffalo, on the ox. It just goes down easily. Then I'm gonna try some carbs now. Some nice steamed potato. Oh wow! I love potato, and that potato is lovely potato.
It's
so
perfect,
take a look at that.
And we have also the squid ink paella from Spain, of course.
Okay.
It is a dish from Valencia, Spain.
How is this the paella rice made?
It's rice and there's a squid ink.
Oh, okay. So that's the color.
That's the
Oh, okay. It's not berry rice. It's not It's squid ink rice. Okay.
Is it your first time trying the squid ink?
Yeah, first time trying it, so I like it.
Thank you. And of course, for the pizza, we have the truffle pizza.
Okay.
Made of like a truffle white sauce, truffle paste.
Now to the heaviest, probably the heaviest,
Yeah, probably.
the truffle
You have to load
pizza.
carbs on your body.
I have to, like these muscles didn't grow eating vegetables. You know what I mean? No,
Prefer with the honey.
I have to try it. Wow, well that truffle gives the mozzarella cheese like a perfect counter.
Hindi lang European-inspired dishes ang ina-offer ng Huluk dahil meron din silang cocktail drinks na mukhang na-enjoy din ni Kevin.
This one is the gin alba. The base is gin and amaretto sour, and we have the sangria ronda.
Okay. Oh yeah, it's very nice. Very smooth. Okay, I'll try this one. It's funny.
That was a little bit rough for me. That one is the lady's favorite.
Okay. That's embarrassing.
Yeah, Ameritrechar.
Oh, this one's lovely.
Yeah.
And this one is the
gin
stronger
alcohol,
one.
Yeah.
Okay, well, apparently I'm good with strong alcohol. Make sure you make a reservation or you will not get a table. There is a limited amount of tables and it gets very busy at night. I'm pretty sure it does. As you can see, not a lot of bar space. So make your reservations through the website or
Yeah, through the website or our IG, Instagram,
Probably.
Geluk Manila.
Geluk Manila. So please head over to the Instagram page, to the website, make your reservation.